will transform simple ingredients into a flavorful, satisfying meal that's perfect for any occasion. Let's make loaded cheesy chicken fingers bunwich, our Madalicious recipe for today. Hello everyone, I'm Randy Oliva. Welcome to another episode of Madalicious in Every Meal. Madali plus delicious recipes brought to you by San Miguel Foods Home Foodie. At ang main ingredient natin, Magnolia Chicken Templados Cheesy Chicken Fingers. Templado na kaya less time tayo in the kitchen. And for our complete list of ingredients, ready na ba kayo to take a screen cap? Ayan! So tara, let's cook! We'll need to fry or bake our Magnolia Chicken Templados Cheesy Chicken Fingers. Follow lang natin ang instruction sa packaging. So sa isang pack natin, meron tayong makikita the breading plus the marinated chicken. Let's start by breading it dito sa ating breadcrumbs. Make sure na fully covered ng cheesy breadcrumbs natin. Make it compact and then shake the excess breadcrumbs. Okay? Repeat lang natin until all of our chicken fingers are fully breaded. Okay? Lagay na natin yung ating chicken fingers sa hot oil. So make sure pag naglalagay kayo ng mga fried products, palayo sa inyo nung produkto para hindi tumalsik ng oil papunta sa inyo. After frying, shake the excess oil or better, gamit kayo ng cooling rack or steel rack just to remove the drippings dito sa ating chicken fingers. Tapos, prepare your saucepan for the cheese sauce. Pwede rin i-microwave natin. Let's warm up our Magnolia Cheesy Squeeze. Next step natin, split your hotdog buns and place 2 chicken fingers in each one. Slather the cheese sauce generously over the chicken fingers. To top it off, lagyan lang natin ng some sliced bottom mushroom and sprinkle natin ng konting Pure Foods bacon crumble for that crispy and smoky flavor. Madali lang, di ba? At delicious. Kaya, madalicious ito. Pwede rin tayong gumamit ng pandesal or focaccia bread. And there you have it, loaded cheesy chicken fingers bunwich. This Madalicious recipe makes 5 servings. Enjoy every bite. Kung naman ang titikim nitong cheesy chicken fingers bunwich natin.